let's start actually implementing some design other than what we just seen here. So this is what we just got to, and I kind of want to ask you to try and create or recreate this structure over here with the CSS grids. So the desktop version would look like this, and once you scroll down, it's scaling lesser and lesser into like a standard mobile look here. So we're going to use the Ionic framework for this. Keep the home up here, just change the name to CSS My Grid, CSS My Grid, template, like this. And up here, it should say My Grid template, yay. First part done. Next part, you should look into what do we actually have here. We have how many columns do we have? If you look down here, how many rows do we have? How are they structured together? Right now, I would say you should only use 3. That's like, what are the rows? And then columns is really up to you for how many of these boxes you make. But you can do by creating 3 rows in your code here. So if we just delete, no, let's not delete it. Let's just look at the code. So you need your content, of course. Padding, no padding, up to you. You need a grid to do this. 1 grid to control it all, like the ring from all the rings. And then we should have the amount of rows. So 3 rows for that one, for the boxes in here, and for the footer row. And then inside the second row, the middle row, whatever you want to call it, the main row, you're going to create these boxes, these columns in here that are going to scale depending on the size of the browser. So that's the challenge or the assignment that you're going to be doing. And you're going to be doing that in class as well. So start thinking about that, how you're going to do it. You might test a little bit, but we're also going to do this in classes when you get there. So see you in class.